Hello everybody and welcome to the replay. We are here live in Boston Tea Party today, and you're currently looking at my special guest Rich Mehta. Welcome Sarah, good morning to you. So all this week we've been looking at new features on Twitter. On Monday we checked out Twitter polls, which great new engaging feature available in the US, unfortunately not available in the UK yet. Good morning Paul from Hillside Brewery, welcome. But looking forward to seeing Twitter polls. Then we also looked at Twitter Publisher this week, where basically it's kind of like glorified embedded tweets, I guess, where you can put a collection of tweets onto your website and photos. Not sure if you're aware of Twitter Publisher, Rich. Is that something you've come across?
No, I haven't actually. I think Twitter are releasing loads of new features at the moment, which is really cool. I'm quite happy to see it. So yeah, no, I'll obviously I imagine you'll probably want that on your website, John. So. Is this a feature request, like a live video request?
Yes, I can just put in my feature request. Good morning, Nigel. Hello, everybody. Welcome for joining. Yes, I think we'll put that down as a task, Rich, for you to.
Brilliant. Hold on, I'll note this down now.
that would be great. Welcome, Judy. Loads of people joining in. I was actually debating whether to call Rich a regular guest, because we did do this last week, but I thought that would be a bit rude. So I've kept with the special, because indeed we did. I think that's well earned, Rich, because we did.
Nice. Thanks, John.
We did get good viewer numbers last week, and plenty of engagement, comments, and shares, which I way more than I normally get myself. So so well done. Well done, Rich. Also this week on new Twitter features, we looked at Twitter Moments, again available in the US, sadly not yet available in the UK. I did express my frustration yesterday that when you actually click a link on Twitter's own website, twitter.com, to find out more about Twitter Moments, you just get an error page, and that's probably sort of one of that I'm sure doesn't please you, Rich, either. Click for more information on a website and no more information to be had.
That is a bit rubbish when you're the size of Twitter. I can kind of see they've got a lot to deal with, but still, they've got a lot of people. So I noticed you were quite upset about that, John. It's quite an audible tone of upsetness when you were giving that particular bit.
I do think they could do better on that one, but Twitter Moments does look really good. Basically, edited stories chosen by a team at Twitter, and then tweets, photos, and videos around those stories. So you can basically follow an event as well as follow people now on Twitter, which is pretty cool. They have been launching a few new features lately, which is not like Twitter. Just a couple more features, or perhaps changes, to announce today. Fairly sort of small, but one would be interesting to get Rich's view on. Have you heard, Rich, on social sharing buttons where you get the Twitter button, which, by the way, I'm sure you would endorse this, is a great addition to anybody's blog on their website, or news article on their website, so people can share. But they've actually decided to take away the numbers of shares from the button. Don't know if you spotted that little bit. Which is a bit of a puzzling one, I think. Not really sure where they're coming from on that. Kind of like puts them out of step with the other social networks. All I can think of is perhaps they think it's a bit of an ego thing, so they're removing it for that reason. But aside from that, I think it's all in all, I don't think it's a very good move. I don't know what you think.
It's hard to see. It's hard to see the point behind that, to be honest with you, because you can when you're embedding that button, a lot of the time you've got the option of including it or not anyway. So whether I don't really get that move, to be honest with you. It's a bit of an interesting one, but I can kind of see. I mean, from the point of view, if you're someone that doesn't get a lot of tweets, but wants to have the functionality there available, great, I guess. That you don't have zero appearing on all your blog posts, but But then again, you know, there are other ways of including a Twitter button that don't include accounts, so therefore that kind of counteracts that issue without having to get rid of the functionality for those of us who, you know, do have well shared content.
That's true. That's true. Indeed, yes. And I think our arriving. Hello. You're live on Periscope this morning.
Okay. Do I get money for this?
That's what Rich said.
Yeah.
My answer is the same. No. But thanks for appearing and for the drinks. So Twitter polls, Gerald Miller, can't be interesting to see how they're used. Yeah, indeed it will be. I think there's all sorts of possibilities there in terms of asking people for feedback. Obviously, sort of yes and no polls, agree and disagree. And I thought of a good one myself yesterday. I put up a poll, something like which came first, Facebook or LinkedIn? And it'd be interesting to see what people thought about that one.
I saw a great one this morning. It had just the tweet, and then both buttons had just different emojis on them. So you got to select which one you liked best, which I thought was hilarious.
Oh, that's quite good. Yeah, that's a different way of. Was that on Twitter?
Yeah, it was absolutely. I've seen quite a lot of people using the new polls feature in Twitter actually, especially obviously tech people because they like the new stuff. They're usually the early adopters, but a lot of tweets look for kind of an opinion.
Exactly.
From techie guys or design guys, they're looking for an opinion on something.
Yeah.
So I think the polls feature really helps there. Definitely, that's a really good.
Yeah, I mean, you could sort of do you like this logo or do you like this logo?
Yeah, absolutely.
And ask people that sort of that sort of stuff. These polls were they from UK people?
They were certainly. I think they were. It was a bit of a mixture of US, UK, and there was a guy from the Netherlands as well. Interesting. No, Amsterdam. Was doing one too.
So I haven't seen anyone with the poll feature yet. So in the UK. So it's good to know that it's being rolled out. So,
interesting. Yeah.
The other thing, just to mention something new which you may not have spotted, which is kind of long overdue, is the ability now to upload videos via desktop or laptop. Strange that this was only actually available on mobile, smartphones and tablets, but now handily available on laptop and desktop. So go ahead and upload some videos there. So other things to talk about. Let's back to Rich, and perhaps we can. Hold on a minute. Gerald's got the poll feature, so did his first poll last night apparently.
Fantastic.
So, it's definitely being rolled out. So
is Gerald likely to do a poll on whether people like Jonathan's periscopes or not? Or Gerald?
Yeah, Gerald, you have to let us know whether you'll be doing a sort of like good, bad poll on these or otherwise on these Periscope shows. So we'll see. So, Rich, tell us a little bit about your week. Have you been working on any interesting web projects? We didn't actually mention for those that weren't watching last week that you are in fact a web what? How would you describe yourself?
I suppose I'm kind of I'm a web developer by trade, if you like. But I mean, it's sort of I like to get involved in anything digital marketing these days. So some of it's Google AdWords, some of it's search engine optimization, and some of it's building websites.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, that's I guess that's me in a nutshell.
Anything interesting you're working on this week?
I've just come to the end of a massive project actually for a local business. And it's called EV People.
Right.
So basically, the idea behind it is it's a jobs board, but the idea is it's a very selective one. The only employers that are on there are employers that really invest in their people.
When you say jobs board, so for businesses advertising looking for staff, basically.
That's it. You've got it. Absolutely, absolutely. So, so the only businesses that are really on there are businesses that are interested in investing in their people, and a lot of the design and the kind of the functional requirements around the website are to kind of showcase that and how they invest in their people. So it's really more for the people that are looking for, not necessarily even looking for a job, but they're looking to, enhance their career and progress. So yeah.
Brilliant. Any technical challenges or sort of unusual features as far as websites go? On that?
Oh, too many to count. It's been a big project, and it will be very interesting as it rolls out, because it will be sort of. We're looking to. There'll be a big advertising campaign off the back of it, which will be great to see for a local company. I'm really happy to see that. So hopefully you guys will see the people out there on the streets of Gloucestershire soon.
Excellent. So Rich did mention there that covers sort of a wide range of topics, SEO, Google AdWords, web stuff, etc. So if you have got any questions, please do put them in the comments, and Rich or I will do our best to answer them. Of course, if there's anything social media related, do post those questions in the comments. Your business name, Rich, is Rigorous Digital. Twitter handle, just so that people can follow you on Twitter.
My Twitter handle, amusingly enough, is Rigorous Rich. So if you
all one word.
That's it. All one word, all lowercase. So yeah, if you want to get in touch with me and ask me any questions, by all means do so on Twitter, and I'll reply.
Okay. Excellent, thanks very much. And mine is at intranetfuture. So this week, what have I been up to? Quite a busy week with workshops this week. 3 social media workshops. Congratulations, Gerald! Just published another poll, so that's good news. I will check that out. Monday did a workshop for a local PR and marketing company. And then since then done a workshop for the Growth Hub on social media, sort of generic social media, and yesterday did a workshop in Fairford on LinkedIn. So if you have any need for training or workshops, do get in touch. Website is intranetfuture.com or at intranetfuture on Twitter. I think that's pretty much it, unless anybody's got any topics or questions that you'd like to put in. We found Gerald's poll. That's it. It is showing up now. Okay, brilliant. So, should businesses be making more use of low-cost edtech #edtech, not e-learning, to improve skills and knowledge? Yeah, nice little poll there. What's this? Do you think Intranet Future periscopes are a great source of information? I can't really see. Oh, it's gone off.
Hang on.
Probably yes. Or
I need to answer this. Sorry. Oh dear. I clicked the wrong one. Goodness.
So how many? Has anyone voted yet on that, Rich?
I think one person has voted. That one being me.
Oh well, yeah. This live stuff doesn't always work out too well, does it? What's Gerald's Twitter handle? Very good point. In fact, let's have a bit of sharing here. If everyone would like to put in their own Twitter handles into the comments, it'd be a great idea for us all to follow each other. It is. He has just typed, and there we go. There's his actual profile, and it is at Gerald Crickle. So, for an example of a poll, check it out. Thanks, Josh. For that there at Josh Bear. So we'll just keep on live for a few more seconds, just give people a chance to put in their Twitter handles. Next week also new week starting on Monday. So as per usual, if you've got any ideas for topics that I can cover next week on the Social Today Show, anything social media related, do let us know. Ideas are very much welcome. What we normally do, and there's another one, Mountain People 1 for Judy. What we usually do is pick a theme for the week and then split that up into separate topics or subjects throughout the week. So suggestions are welcome. If you're watching the replay and can't comment, then do tweet me at intranetfuture. So just go over to Rich for a final word, which is always a bit dangerous. Sort of giving him free rein to say anything, but a final word from you, Rich.
Oh well, I think the best thing to do on a Friday is enjoy your weekend. I hope you have a good Friday, everyone.
You going to Laptop Friday, Rich?
I'm not today, John.
Okay.
I can't make it today, unfortunately. But I hope everyone that does go enjoys it. I really wish I could be there, but unfortunately work calls me away. So, but yeah, nonetheless, have a great Friday, everyone.
Thank you, Rich. And you've just picked up a new follower from Rita, who I believe his Twitter handle is exact_solutions. So just mentioned Laptop Friday there, just going down there shortly for 9:30. It's a co-working and networking event here in Cheltenham in an excellent American-themed cafe with lots of original Americana called Smoky Joe's on Bennington Street. We're there all morning, and it's just a drop-in type event. So do join us for Laptop Friday for some informal co-working and networking. And this coming Monday, we have Laptop Monday. So just flag up for that. See you soon, Nigel. See you Laptop Friday soon. Laptop Monday takes place in Brew and Bake, and it's an evening event. So for those people that perhaps can't make the morning, it's in the evening, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Brew and Bake on Bath Road this coming Monday. So have a fantastic weekend, everybody. Goodbye from us, and back again on Monday, if not before.